Hello friends, Standard 11, Chemistry, Unit 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. In first part, we learned about matter and their classification. Today we are going to learn about the difference between mixture, then after the properties of matter, and then after SI units. Okay, so let's start with mixture. Mixture may be element plus element, element plus compounds, and compounds plus compounds. Okay, there are two types of mixture. Number one, homogeneous mixture, and heterogeneous mixture. The difference, main difference. Number one, components are completely mixed with each other in homogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, components are not completely mixed with each other. Point number two, for homogeneous mixture, its composition is uniform throughout. Here, composition is not uniform throughout. Point number three, for homogeneous mixture, no separate boundary can be found. For heterogeneous mixture, separate boundary can be found. Have a look at these 3 points by example. Here, in one container, we take NO2 nitrogen dioxide gas that is colorless, and another gas, bromine gas, is in brown color. After sometimes the brown gas is spreaded over the container and mixed with nitrogen dioxide gas. Here, for example, heterogeneous mixture, in one beaker, 100 ml of water plus 10 ml of oil. We found separate boundary because oil and water does not completely mix with each other. Okay friends, other examples you will write down by yourself. Okay friends, now our next topic, that is properties of matter and their measurement. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupy subspaces, that is called matter. There are two types of properties. Number one, that is physical properties, and number two, chemical properties. Physical properties that can be measured, observed without changing their identity of substance. This can be measured and observed without changing the identity of substance. For example, here the color of substance, order of substance, melting point, boiling point, density, etc. Here the next topic, chemical properties, measurement and observation of chemical property require very most important, that is chemical changes. Required chemical changes. This can be measured or observed when chemical changes. For example, acidity, basicity, combustibility, etc. Okay. Any quantitative observation or measurement is represented by number and by units. Any physical quantities or physical quantity is represented by numbers and unit. For example, here 100, that is only number. We can't say either this physical quantity. Here we write 100 small m. Small m means here 100 meter, that denotes length. 1000 gram, that represents mass. Okay friends, so here any physical quantities require numbers and unit. Okay friends, our next topic, that is international system of unit, SI unit. There are 7 base physical quantity. Number 1, mass. Number 2, length. Number 3, time. Number 4, electric current. Number 5, thermodynamic temperature. Number 6, amount of substance, and number 7, that is luminous intensity. Mass denoted by small m, length by small l, time small t, electric current by capital I, thermodynamic temperature capital T, amount of substance small n, luminous intensity IV. Now their SI units. For mass, meter, sorry, for mass, kilogram, length, meter, time, second, electric current, ampere, thermodynamic temperature capital K, amount of substance, that is mole, and luminous intensity by candela. Okay friends, next time we will discuss our next topic, that is prefix and suffixes use. Okay, thank you very much.